Hello, my friends. Have you ever wondered what happens behind those horrifying plane crashes? In this video, we'll dive into the causes behind aviation tragedies, from technical failures and human errors to unpredictable natural factors. These are not just heartbreaking stories. Each incident offers valuable lessons that help improve flight safety every day. Join us to gain deeper insights and appreciate the relentless efforts of the global aviation industry. A Colombian Army helicopter crashed in the urban area of Quibdó, Choco. This severe incident raises significant questions about flight safety and the military's emergency response capabilities in the region. The crash of a Russian Tu-22M3 bomber while returning to Olynya Air Base in Murmansk. Bad weather may have played a role in this catastrophic accident. A video capturing the landing mishap provides insight into the gravity of the situation. An An-24 passenger plane skidded off the runway at Nizhny Angara Airport, Russia. This incident highlights the pressing need to improve aviation safety measures, especially under harsh weather conditions. A video showing a helicopter being sucked into a tornado has captured public attention, showcasing the immense dangers posed by extreme weather phenomena. A sudden loss of control in a helicopter can lead to ground resonance, which can have severe consequences. This incident emphasizes the importance of emergency response training and practice for pilots. A helicopter overturned during takeoff, causing a major incident. This underlines the necessity of thorough equipment and system checks before flights to ensure safety. In Rio Branco, a police helicopter sustained severe damage when a truck collided with its rotor blades. This incident highlights the critical importance of coordination between ground and air operations to maintain safety. In 2016, a helicopter was forced to make an emergency water landing near Pearl Harbor. This incident underscores the critical importance of emergency preparedness and pilot skills. A powerful tornado caused accidents and overturned vehicles at Antalya Airport. This event is a stark reminder of nature's power and the importance of preparing for extreme weather phenomena. A helicopter crashed and caught fire in Rolet. Authorities are investigating the cause, emphasizing the need to maintain high safety standards in aviation.
Holy crap.
This video captures a Russian helicopter accident, serving as a sobering reminder of the inherent risks in aviation operations. A disaster occurred when a helicopter's tail rotor struck a low-hanging cable. Miraculously, the pilot escaped the wreckage with only minor injuries and managed to free himself. A Bell 412 firefighting helicopter crashed into a lake in Zaragoza while collecting water to combat a fire. This incident highlights the risks firefighters face while performing their duties.
Jane is going to disappear from us. Now she's still on that far side. Keep an eye on Jane. Keep an eye on Charlie. Watch this. Jane Wicker sitting on top of the world. Oh, no.
Lauren, get up. Salmon, that's this does. Have a good job.
A terrifying accident occurred on Mount Großglockner in Austria when a rescue helicopter crashed. Footage shows the helicopter approaching two hikers on the summit. As one hiker stepped onto the plane, it lost control, forcing the man to dodge the rotor blades to escape. This video captures the dramatic moment a PC-12 airplane experiences an engine failure, demonstrating pilots' challenges in such critical situations.
Pasaron los pájaros que venían antes. Ahí está, mira, ¿te fijas?
In northern Mexico, a helicopter crashed into an empty field, nose first, with devastating consequences. The cause of the accident remains undetermined. A Mexican Navy Mi-17 helicopter carrying 12 people crashed into Santa Clara Bay, Baja California, while monitoring illegal fishing. Witness footage shows the aircraft spinning 360 degrees before hitting the water. A video captures a British Airways jet landing just meters away from a group of tourists in Greece, a hair-raising event that raises concerns about aviation safety near tourist airports. Mi-8 helicopter crashed near the Chernobyl nuclear power plant on October 14, 1986, just months after the nuclear disaster. The accident underscores the risks of operating in highly radioactive environments. A tour helicopter crashed into a building in Medellin, Colombia, minutes after takeoff. Fortunately, all pilots and passengers survived. The cause of the accident is still under investigation, highlighting the importance of thorough pre-flight checks. A rescue helicopter encountered a serious accident while on a mission. Who will save them now? After performing a turn in the air, the helicopter suddenly malfunctioned, plummeted to the ground, and exploded. Fortunately, the pilot sustained only minor injuries and managed to escape the blaze. An Air India Airbus, a 320, crashed on a major road in Hyderabad, causing chaos and raising concerns about aviation safety in urban areas. Chilling footage shows a small plane crash during a demonstration flight at an air show in Russia. On September 2nd, at the Balashika Air Show in Moscow Oblast, an An-2 biplane lost control after a barrel roll maneuver, crashed into the ground, and caught fire. This terrifying video captures the moment a Mexican Navy helicopter spun out of control before crashing, resulting in the tragic loss of 3 Marines. A video captures the dramatic moment when an aircraft's landing gear collapses upon touchdown, serving as a stark reminder of potential aviation risks and the importance of rigorous maintenance checks. A dramatic video shows a fly-bondi pilot skillfully aborting a landing at the last moment due to strong winds. This quick decision likely prevented a catastrophic incident. A Turkish C-160 military transport aircraft made an emergency landing during a training flight due to technical issues. The plane flew alarmingly close to residential areas, raising concerns about urban aviation safety. A Hala Airlines plane veered off the runway, crashing into a barrier and breaking into pieces. Remarkably, all passengers and crew survived, underscoring the critical importance of proper training for handling emergencies. Thank you for joining us. What was your most memorable moment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming content. See you in the next video.
Bueno.